How to buy Ghibli Kapibala token. So this token came under the symbol of Kapibala token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards or crypto with the base referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, don't forget and go and check their X account and keep following their updates about this token and check their Telegram channel. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 15 hours ago and it weighs by 8,000% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending number 6 in this analysis section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and press token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and now click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on price and click on provider. Now select distributor, click on apply. Now go back and you will be able to see here swap. Click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect to distributor provider page to complete the buying process. So this is how to buy Kapibala token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.